So what kind of jobs are available in the nuclear industry outside of just operating nuclear power plants? Well, there's quite a few. Specifically, there's the entire fuel cycle, everything before the nuclear power plant and then everything after. And most of them will require a bachelor's degree, but not all. Some of them are just technicians and some of them are just general labor. So it's going to depend on the level of education you have and the suite of knowledge, skills, and abilities that go with that. So some examples, I came up with some. You could work at a fuel enrichment plant or a fuel manufacture plant or a plant design and manufacturing process. All of those require engineers. And if they're doing nuclear technology, it is beneficial to have a certain number of people with nuclear training. And that can be across the entire spectrum. It could be in work control, it can be writing procedures, it can be doing quality assurance, quality control, even procurement could use that kind of expertise. So pretty much anything in the nuclear industry outside of just operating nuclear power plants is going to need nuclear engineering specialties. And probably the biggest one is going to be nuclear waste management. In nuclear waste management, that's where you're decommissioning a nuclear power plant. So you need that kind of expertise. And a lot of that is also health physics. You might want to consider going into health physics as a discipline. I am a certified health physicist, and I've been a member of the Health Physics Society for a long time. And my experience is that about half of the health physicists in industry were formally trained as nuclear engineers initially. The industry just needed so many more health physicists that's where they got them from. They converted a nuclear engineer to a health physicist. And there are other things that are kind of in between, like nuclear safety, criticality safety, a lot of things like that are needed throughout the nuclear industry. So I hope that helps. There's plenty of jobs, especially if you've got really great education and a lot of really good references of people that say, yep, you were a really good worker. So I hope that helps. Keep the questions coming. Thanks.